Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to discuss different variable types in R. So we are having the string variable, we are having numeric variables like integers, we are having double or float variables, and also we are having Boolean variables. So let's start with the string variable. In order to declare a string variable, we are going to use quotes, and inside quotes we are going to write whatever we want to be as our string. It can be a name, it can be a phrase, it can be a sentence, whatever. So on the right side we write down the string in quotes, then we use the assign variable to assign that string to a variable, and on the left side is the name of our variable. So for example, I call this variable name. It can be X, it can be Y, it can be whatever that we choose for it to be, in fact. So this is basically what we choose is going to be our variable. So this is the first string that I have here. I can have the name of the string, which is my string, for example, and I use the assignment operator, and then on the right side I write down Reza Shahin, for example, from our programming language course. Okay, so this is the string that I would like to be assigned to a variable called my string. Okay, so this is how we can have a string variable, we can declare it. Then here I'm having an integer variable called age, and number 25 is assigned to it. So here number 25 is assigned to a variable called age using the assignment operator. Or I can have another variable as well here. So I can have, for example, my age, the assignment operator, and on the right hand side I write down 34, for example, or whatever. It can be X, and then I write down 21. So number 21 is assigned to a variable called X. Then we can have double or float numbers also being assigned. So for example, here you see that 1.68 is assigned to a variable called height. Or I can have my number, then I assign 3.14, or my, for example, I can have x2 here, and I assign a number 6.51, for example, to it. So on the right hand side I write down the number, on the left hand side I write down the name of my variable. Then I have the Boolean variables, or let's say logical variables. These Boolean variables are going to be either true or false, depending on what we are going to assign to them. So they are either true or false. These are the only options that they have. So here on the right side, I assign the true Boolean variable to the variable name is student. So is prof, for example, can be the second Boolean variable, and it is false. Okay, so this is another Boolean variable. So either true or false. On the right side, on the left side, we write down the name of the variable that we want. So if I want to print them here, I use the print function, and then I write down the name of the variable. So name can be there. This is the name of my first variable. Or we can have my string, we can have age, my age, X, height, my number, etc. until the end. So whatever we want to be printed, we write down inside the parentheses. So when we run the code, we are printing first the name variable, which is Alice. So Alice here was assigned to a variable called name. Then we are having it in the output. Then we are printing the age, we are printing the height, which was 1.68, and finally we are printing is the student variable, which was having the true boolean variable value, so true is being printed in the output. So instead of name, if I add, for example, not instead, let's say I would add another print here and my string is being printed. So if I run this code, you will see that this string is also being printed, Reza Shahin from our programming language course. So I was printing it in the output using the print function, and my string is this variable which was having this string being assigned to it. Okay, so in this video we learned about different variable types. We learned more specifically about strings, integers, doubles, and floats, and we learned about Boolean variables. Thanks for watching.